My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video going to be very special for all Wink holder friends. As you can see here, now the Wink link as the coin, now the name changed Wink and now is a Wink link, friends. So first of all, that is update occur in the Wink coin. As you can see here now, friends, in this video I will show you the current price, the next move of the Wink coin. So keep watch this video till the end. And friends, if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now, ABS Tech channel, friends. Now friends, if we talk about the current price of the Wink coin, so the current price is about 0.001387 USD dollar is the current price, and the change occur in the Wink link as about last 1 hour change as negative, last 1 day, last 1 week change become positive, friends. Now let's see for more details the price prediction chart of the Wink coin after last 1 day, friends. Sorry, now let's see the last 1 day price prediction chart. Oh my god, as you can see here, friends, that is the last that is a lifetime chart of the Wink coin, as you can see here. Now friends, if we talk about the current price at this time price of the Wink coin, so as you can see the current price is about 0.001406 USD dollar is the current price of the Wink link and the market, friends. Now friends, as you can see here at this point, only in this point, that is the last that is April, and the start of April a Wink coin start a high jumping, and everyone a lot of people buy a Wink coin, friends. And now they are all people are in a profit, but now they are fast down for a little time, and as you can see at this point they again start jumping upward, friends. So now all people having a profit, friends, at this time, friends. Now the again the explosion of the Wink coin starts now, so it is clear now they are in the jumping mood, so they continue this jump for a long time, friends. And if we talk about the average change occur in the lifetime is about 205.82% positive change occur in the Wink link coin, and the last 1 month, and same like that if you look, the highest price is about 0.002681 USD dollar is the highest price of the Wink link. And as you can see here, the current price is, you can see here, 0.00089 USD dollar is the current price of the Wink coin, friends. That is a current and that is a highest price. So very a big change occur, a big fast occur in the Wink coin and then last previous last 1 week period, friends. So hope this video helpful for you. What's your opinion about Wink coin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.